It's our goal to give everyone a 5-star experience. And when we receive great feedback, it motivates us to do even more. Here's a fantastic review we're happy to share right now. We know the level of service we try to provide, but this type of feedback makes us push harder to do better. We love to hear the good news when someone takes the time to tell us they appreciate the job we're doing. So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience, and 5-star service to work for you today. Come experience the difference. So why wait? Contact us today at the number on your screen. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.